Hello, and welcome to FlashPhones.net. Today, we're going to learn how to flash your phone.
Alright, today we have an iPhone 4 that's been upgraded to 6.0.1, and we've jailbroke it, and it's a tethered jailbreak, which means it cannot be booted normally and have the internet work. The data will work, you'll get your emails and whatnot, but when you try to go on the Safari browser, it will crash the browser, so that won't work. So we have to boot the phone up using Red Snow. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's pretty simple. Once you do it a couple of times, you can go through it pretty quickly. So the first thing you're going to do is down in the description of the video, there's a link to this folder that you see on the desktop called Boot iPhone 6.01 Tethered Jailbreak. This same link works if you're on 6.0. If you go into this folder, there's going to be two files in here, Red Snow, and then there's this iPhone Restore IPSW. So what we'll do is we'll go into Red Snow, and we're going to right click on the Red Snow program here and run it as administrator. And now it's going to open up, and it's going to give you the option, it's jailbreak or extras. In this case, we're going to click on extras, and now a menu will pop up. We want to come down to where it says select IPSW. Then we're going to navigate back to that folder. If I can find it. Here it is. And we're going to select that iPhone Restore file here. So it's going to pull that in, and it's going to use that for the boot image. And now we're going to go to the top of the menu, and we're going to click Just Boot. And now it's going to tell us to prepare to enter DFU mode. So on the phone, if you've ever seen entering into DFU mode before, we're going to have to hold a sequence of buttons. And we'll do that here, but when you click Next on Red Snow, it's going to immediately go to the steps. Now I'm just going to click this. I'm not going to do anything on the phone just yet. I want to show you how this works. So you click Next, and you see how the instructions start. Number 1, hold down power, and it actually counts the seconds down for you. So at first it wants us to hold the power button down for 3 seconds. Then it wants us to hold the power and the home button down. Then it wants us to let go of the power. Now, I didn't start the process, so I'm going to simply click back. I just wanted to show you what was going to happen in the next step. Now we're going to actually go through that. So when I hit this next, I'm going to start holding down the power button on the phone. Alright. And now I'll hold the home button down and the power button. And you can see it's counting down the seconds. And now we're going to let go of the power button and continue to hold the home button. And now you'll see Red Snow is going to take over, and it's going to go ahead, it's going to load the boot image on the phone, and it's going to boot it up properly. You can just let it work through that process here. Alright, so Red Snow indicates it's done. You can see that the phone is booting now. That little pineapple icon indicates that Red Snow has successfully booted the phone. Okay, so now we see the phone is booted up. And we've got our 3G data. We'll go to Safari, and we'll see if that works. And there we go. We've successfully booted our tethered jailbroken iPhone 4 on OS 6.0.1. Alright, if you have any difficulties with that, you can leave your comment down below, or you can go to our website, click Contact Us, and send us an email. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, keep on flashing.